Yeah.
So when you pedal, it automatically does the throttle.
Oh, it just kicked on.
Yeah.
I mean, go on, baby.
Honk your horn.
Man, I was just going 10, 15, 12, 13 miles an hour. All right, what up, y'all? We took a break. Actually, we kind of threw for the day on the gate over there. Y'all just saw that in that last video, hopefully, and if you didn't, go check it out. Moon Cool sent us a 3-wheel bike, and since I couldn't get
electric bike,
a 3-wheel electric bike. We've had this quite a while. We just didn't open it. We had a little trouble transporting it in the Tesla, but it made it, and we finna open it up. It's from Moon Cool. Y'all see that? Stop playing. Chunk that money. Let's not make a mess.
She gonna be cleaning it up too.
Hold on.
All right,
y'all. So we gonna unbox this thing and see what's up.
This looks like the charger.
It's the charger. Okay.
We're gonna get a little license plate that says "Time to Tiny" on it.
That's what we gonna do. It's well packaged though. And y'all, the people at Moon Cool are so cool, man. So y'all just go check out the site, see what's up. I think I'm gonna like the bike. Man, they had it packaged right, so you don't get no damage to your bike. So you see how that goes. There we go. Oh, hey. Oh.
Grasp both ends of the tricycle frame with both hands. Slowly unfold it, being careful not to apply excessive force.
This is the button right there. Look.
Oh, I see it right there.
So that's it right there.
Okay.
So it opens.
Perfect. Pull the folded handlebar riser stem fully upward to a vertical position.
All right.
Locate the folding lock and pull it upward to safely secure it. Pull the lock buckle. The lock buckle. That's this right here. This is the lock buckle. Okay. Adjust the height and secure it. There you go. All right. Now take a minute to check the assembly, ensuring that the handlebar is firmly fixed, blah, blah, blah. Remove the plastic insert from between the brake pads. That's that piece right there.
All right.
Position the front wheel. Doesn't matter which way. I think it does.
I bet it does. That's the brake caliper, so caliper.
Be sure the brake disc is carefully inserted between the brake pads.
Oh. I'm gonna show y'all the bottom of it real quick. We putting a tire on now, but give y'all a quick look at the bottom of this thing.
Check to be sure the bolt is tightly secured. Ensure that the bolt handle is firmly clamped into place.
Yep. There you go.
One more. Thank you, sir.
Check it out, y'all. I got the horns and the lights. We're gonna have a lot to talk about with this.
Okay.
All right.
What is this? A net?
Looks like a net. Okay, got the net on it. Keep your little goodies down in the basket. I don't know if y'all could really see that well, but that's kind of connected down. So all that came in the box. It's pretty dope. Whoop. Power on.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What you got over there?
You got a horn.
That is okay.
You got your signals, left and right.
Okay.
And then you have your brakes.
Hold up, they red too. They
And
lit
then
up.
you want to see the headlight?
Yeah.
What I tell you, the headlight was the plus. Is it on?
Hold up, it is on. It's bright too. Dang, you kind of know how to do the pedal assist thing or
I
no?
don't know.
Take off.
Whoa,
Oh, it took off on you. Yeah.
that's the throttle.
Yeah. Okay. Come back full speed. Oh, it's rocking. No pedaling. Come on fast. Man, it's moving crazy. Hit the brake hard. Okay, okay, what you need?
Nothing, you just gotta use the throttle. I just wasn't using the throttle.
Yeah, the little part in the inside over there. Okay.
I'm gonna put my blinker on.
Let's see you take off. Yeah, that's pretty fast.
So when you pedal, it automatically does the throttle.
Yeah.
You don't have to do it with your hand at all.
Oh, so that's because you got.
That's why when I started pedaling, I was like, oh, look, watch.
Oh, it just kicked on.
Yeah.
I like it. All right, let's see you go. Let's see. Damn. You like it?
Yeah. I don't know how to turn the assist down. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Okay, forget about it. You don't need to turn it down. Go.
So look, this is without anything, right?
Okay.
Then when I turn it up.
Dang. Man, I was just going 10, 15, 12, 13 miles an hour. So that's on 1, whatever that means. We'll talk about that later, but here's 5. Woo, woo. 3-wheel motion, baby. That bitch gone, baby. Ooh. I ain't tripping.
That
I ain't
poor bike ain't gonna have no tires left.
Huh?
It ain't gonna have no tires.
Man, listen. Ha! 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 Ah! Ah! I'm in there. Ah! I'm coming around the corner on there. Ah! Ah! I'm out here, baby.
You didn't even look to see if a car was coming. Just reckless.
Nobody worried about no car. Woo!
Honk your horn.
That's by itself.
The TK1 electric trike is built for daily use. It's got headlights, reliable brakes, a drink holder, and a collapsible frame for easy storage. You can also pedal manually when needed. Top speed is 16 miles per hour with a range of 35 to 70 miles. Front shocks smooth out rough roads. You also get turn signals, a horn, and a throttle for control. It includes front and rear baskets and a control screen that shows speed and battery. The rear differential makes turning easier with the load. The 48-volt battery is removable for easy charging. It runs on a 500-watt motor that peaks at 1,000 watts. It supports 450 pounds and comes 95% assembled. Brake lights and rear turn signals keep you visible on the road. The TK1 is practical, powerful, and ready to ride.
Ooh-wee. Ooh. All right, y'all. Trying to ride and hold this at the same time. Let's see how this works out. Man, hold up. Woo. Woo. I'm gonna see if I can get it up top speed. It's bumpy. It's rugged terrain. Is that 15 we see? Okay. Shit, it's all the way up on level 5. And I got the throttle. It's throttle, baby. Full throttle. Oh, whoa, whoa. It's bumpy out here, y'all. We rolling though. I think that's max speed, so y'all see where I'm at. Y'all see where I ended up at, huh? All right. Let's bust a U-turn and keep it pushing. No pedaling. In fact, I'm going backwards. Because nobody wants to pedal on an electric bike. All right, y'all. So look, we playing on the Moon Cool for now, but it's gonna come in handy on the Homestead. She back there having her some fun. So for now, we up out of here. Appreciate y'all watching the video. It's been dope. Homestead Homies, word up. Everybody else watching, we appreciate it. Okay.